When stimulating in current mode, the capacitance and resistance of the stimulation electrode and the cable will create a low-pass filter which slows down the stimulation signal. The ISO-STIM-II has a capacity compensation circuit to prevent this. To adjust the capacity compensation correctly, it is best to apply a square pulse through the cables and electrodes you are actually using in your experiment. Here we demonstrate it using the model cell. We set the ISO-STIM to timed mode and the output to 1 mA. The timer should create a pulse of 1 millisecond length with 0.05 mA amplitude. We set the model cell to the middle current range and switch the membrane capacitance on. Now we monitor the output signal from the model cell and use a flat screwdriver to adjust capacity compensation. With the compensation at a minimum, the signal will look rounded at the beginning of the pulse. Increasing compensation will make this signal look more rectangular. Now we can play with the model cell's membrane capacitance and switch it on and off while adjusting the compensation. An undercompensated signal will look like this, and an overcompensated signal will look like this. The well-compensated signal looks like a square.